NITRATEK C01 series handheld pulse fiber laser cleaning machine is equipped with renowned JPT laser source, ZBTK galvanometer system and high-quality optical lens. This handheld laser cleaner can help you remove rust, paint, oil, coating, and etc. from various hard surfaces such as metal, steel, etc. It offers 8 cleaning trajectory modes, straight line, circle, flower, for you to choose from, which can be flexibly switched according to the shape of the workpiece or the cleaning requirements, and can easily cope with complex surface treatment tasks.